like the lowest ISO. Jeez.
Now can't see you. You're a ghost.
Okay, so we're on the way to the gym. Today we've got a sneaker unboxing, and later on I've got a package coming in, an early pair of sneakers, which I'm actually super excited about. So I thought I would take you guys along the way, because we got some things to do this morning. So everything up top, I'm skipping leg day. Let's get to the gym and I'll catch you guys inside. Okay, so we had pre-workout, I know, but what you think about a Macca's coffee? Alright, we are back from the gym, we are in the house, and again, like I said, we got a couple sneakers, my latest pickups that I wanted to show you guys. We're going to take a look at them, including one early pair that I'm very excited to take a look at. So we got them all right here. Start with this one. It's already unboxed. You guys have already seen the review, hopefully, but if you haven't, we're going to take a quick look at it here. This is the Yeezy 500, and this of course is the clay brown colorway. I love the versatility of this colorway, like it's super clean, a nice dark clay brown. There's a little bit of some khaki tones in there, slight green for the mesh. But overall, it's a solid sneaker. It's got super nice material. I feel like these are not reselling for that much either, so these may be a solid pickup for you if you, you missed the retail release and you wanted something that's gonna go great for full time. You know, there's a lot of Yeezys coming up. You wanna pass on this one, I completely understand. But for anybody out there who was maybe interested in this, you forgot about it, this is a solid sneaker that I definitely think is a dope option. But let's get into some of those other ones. All right, what do we have here? I'm not too sure. We've got a couple Nike boxes. Okay, I know which one this is. Okay, listen guys. Halloween was the other day, yesterday, the day before. So this is a little bit late. This is the Halloween Air Force One. Right, so this was actually in time here in the UK. Like, we actually got this in time for Halloween. These got delivered before Halloween. I just never unboxed them, never took a look at them because I wanted to share that with you. But out in the US, I believe these are coming like late November, like towards the end of the month. So you guys have a bit of a wait, and I'm not even too sure if you're gonna want to pick these up when it's that far down the line. The leather feels pretty damn good for an Air Force. Like, it's tumbled, it feels thick. Look at the toe box press test. Like, look at that. That is soft, supple, buttery. Some other cool details about this is, of course, the Halloween elements, which is the glow-in-the-dark eyeball theme that's going on around the sneaker. Like, you can't see it from a distance. In fact, even pretty up close, you can hardly see it. The main thing is when you hit it with that UV and you look at it in the dark. In fact, Nike went hard this year. They had the Mummy Dunks. They had the sneakers that were part of this pack, which was an Air Force One, a Presto, and a Dunk Low. Also, I forgot the skeleton, the purple skeleton Air Forces. That's another option which I know is very popular. It's not too bad. Like, I'm really not mad at this colorway. Again, I believe you could probably wear these year round, but let's get into some of the other ones. Like I said, we got a couple Nike sneakers to unbox, and this is actually a pair which I believe you guys showed a lot of interest for on one of my upcoming sneakers episodes. I was talking about these and you guys were like, yeah, they look pretty cool. So I bought them and I wanted to check them out for myself. So we got a retro style Nike box, as you can see, all over lighter orange as opposed to the darker orange on some of the other Nike boxes. This is the Jumbo Blazer. Okay, so straight out of the box, I can tell there's some things about this which I'm not a huge fan of. Okay, what caught my eye with this pair of shoes, why I wanted to pick it up, is obviously the Jumbo Nike swoosh. I think that looks pretty damn cool. Like, from afar, it looks different. However, some of the things I don't particularly like is this elasticated back portion. Like, Since when have they added that to a blazer? And then the stitching on the toe box, look at that, really obvious and obscure stitching that you find in orange, which just stands out, and you get some more of that stitching on the back. Outsole as well, like they've raised the traction pattern so it's almost higher. That's what you're going to be walking on, and it gives it a little bit of a weird look, like maybe a platform sneaker, but I like the idea. I like the way that, you know, the swoosh kind of overlaps onto the midsole. I like the fact that it's huge. I like the overall structure of a blazer. There's just small things that they made look really, really weird. But I don't know about these at all. Let me know what you think of these down in the comment section. All right, before we get into the early sneaker, I just want to show you this one. This is another one that I didn't unbox, and it's been around for a while now. So it's from Adidas, and as you can see, we got a Yeezy 450. So this is a part of the Yeezy 450 restock that just happened. Okay, that's different. Look at that. They've added a little sticker to the paper on there which says made in Germany. That's something that we didn't see on the original release, which I think is pretty interesting. You know what? I want to check the production date on these as well. Okay, so the production date on here is July 2021. These originally released in March. So yes, these are new pairs. Even though the release seemed pretty weird, like it was only exclusive access on the Confirmed app, and then they did a few 30-minute raffles on different retailers. So it would give you the idea that these were going to be a super limited restock of just maybe pairs that got returned, or pairs that, you know, people's payment method failed, something like that. But this is a brand new production date, so which means they made a decent amount of pairs of these. The Yeezy 450 is something I'm a fan of. Like, it's a cool looking pair of shoes. It's extremely polarizing. There's going to be a lot of people that don't like it, same as a lot of the stuff that Yeezy brand has put out. Maybe it just takes some time to get used to, or maybe you just try it on with a couple different outfits and you find out that you really like them. Either way, the Yeezy 450, if you didn't get a pair, these are probably at about retail now, I imagine, on the secondary market. I haven't checked, but I know for a fact that the resale has gone down significantly. So if you wanted to get a pair, if you've been waiting to pull the trigger, you're probably happy that you waited until this point, and now you can safely pick up a pair without having to spend a huge amount of money. Also, let me know if you guys got the exclusive access on that pair of 450s. Now let's peel the tape off of here, because again, I'm very unprepared and don't have a knife. So the early pair of sneakers, guys. Look at this bubble wrap. We are protected, we are safe. All right, let's see what we got here. I'm very excited to see these because I believe it's probably the most anticipated sneaker for me for this year. Pattern breads, Jordan 1s as well. I know, guys, listen, I know that the breads and they're super popular, but listen, the pattern leather is almost a deal breaker for me. So this one, I'm hoping fulfills all of my hopes that I really like this colorway. Whew. Oh yes, take a look at these. Oh yes, they killed the leather. They did it right. They did the leather quality right. That was like my biggest fear for this pair of shoes, is that they destroy the leather quality. Take a look at the toe box press test. All over tumbled leather. Now again, I really like this colorway because again, I'm a big Bordeaux fan in terms of the colorway, and the color blocking is on point. You get an extra pair of laces, which is white, and this comes with the Bordeaux laces. I have a feeling that I'm gonna prefer the white, which is actually something I want to ask you guys. When I do the review on these, do you want to see the review with these, you know, the stock laces that come on here, or do you want to see me swap it out into the white laces? It kind of follows the same line as the metallic pack, you know, the silver metallics, and then the navy metallics, the Co.JPs, because it has the metallic Nike swoosh and then the plastic Air Jordan Wings logo. I'll have all of the information in the review, so if you want to check them out with me, subscribe to the channel and we can take a look together, right? The review should be coming very soon. Let me know what you think of these. Are you going to be going for them, or are you taking a miss? So with that being said, guys, listen, I just want to say I'm experimenting with this video. We did the whole little vlog thing. I just wanted to give you a taster of that idea. So if you like me doing those kind of videos where I show you my day, I don't know, I take you out for a vlog style thing, let me know down in the comment section, because if you enjoy it, I'll do some more of them. But that pretty much wraps it up. I want to thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you in the next one. But until then.